Hi viewers, today we are doing a freeze frame transition effect that you see in most popular music videos. Okay, so we're doing freeze frame transition effect that you see in most popular music videos. We're doing it in Premiere Pro, so yeah, let's get to it. No time to waste, right? Let's get to it. By the way, when it comes to freeze frame transition effect, like there are so many ways to do it. There are a lot of ways you can go about it, but the one I'm doing, you need to get a red giant distant effect. That is the ecto effect. Okay, it helps. It helps. In this case, that is what I use. So I think if you have it, it will be cool. So into the Premiere Pro, we have to get the footage that we want to transition from into the other footage. Okay, where we are transitioning from, we need to get that footage, and where we are when we do the transition, the next footage, then we need to put the two footages together. Now we have our two footages that we want to use for this transition effect, and you see how I've positioned it in the Premiere Pro. Okay, let's go. We are going to screenshot. Okay, take a shot. Okay, the camera inside Premiere Pro, we are going to use it to take a screenshot of where we want to freeze our image. Okay, so we are going to use that still image for the freeze frame effect. So you just take a screenshot it, you know, then we use it. Okay, so I open my Photoshop. Okay, I'm going to open my still frame, the still frame that I've taken from the video. I'm going to open it in the Photoshop. Okay, with my Photoshop open now, you can see my Photoshop open. It's taking much time, but that's open now. So in the Photoshop, you could use, like I said, in the Photoshop, when cropping, you could use the pen tool, or you could use your selection, tool as well. Okay, you could use your selection tool. If you can use the pen tool, the selection tool over there, the selection tool is over there to do the magic for you. So, yeah. And when cropping, your still frame, it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to perfectly crop it. The reason being because we are going to add the Red Giant Ecto plugin effect to it, and you see how it is. Because when you add the effect to it, the effect is going to take the edge, the edge, okay, of the still picture. So whether the edge is being ragged or some stuff like that or rough, it doesn't matter because the Red Giant effect is going to balance that. The Red Giant Ecto plugin effect is going to balance that, So as you can see in Photoshop, still trying to to let the selection tool do the magic over there. So we are on it, yeah. So if the selection tool is not doing it, what to do? You still have another option over there. The selection tool just makes it more faster, but if it's not doing it the way you want it to, then all you have to do is to just do what? Go to take the pen tool and do it manually. The selection tool is more like some AI stuff, but this one with the pen tool, you have to manually do it. Take your time and do it well. So over here you can see I'm using the pen tool to do it, to crop it here. So after cropping it, after applying your selection tool and everything, you just go and invert, click on inverse, you know, you do inverse and just click it. After that, you save it as PNG file. Okay, so when we save it, then we go back to Premiere Pro. Okay. What we do next is with our still frame being placed above the both footages. Okay, the one that we will transition from into the other. All right, both footages. After we put our freeze frame or still frame image on top, this is what we do. We will so what we do is to go out 10 frames from where our second clip starts, you know. So we just move, we put with our cursor in the middle of both footages. What we do is we just move 10 frames we use our arrow to move 10 frames from where our second clip, you know, starts. Okay, you know we are dealing with two clips right now, two footages, two clips right now. Okay. So we move 10 frames. So 10 frame, and we drag our what? So 10 frames and we drag our still image to where it ends. Same thing applies to the first clip. You'll move another 10 frames using your arrow to count 10 frames from where the second clips, the first clip stops too. So if we play it and it's okay for us, okay, if it plays out smoothly, then and we like it, what we do next is to open our Regia Universe and go get a Ecto plugin and add it to it. That is the still image or picture. Yeah, so we take the Ecto effect, drag it on the freeze frame where we want the transition to occur. Okay, oh, boom! You can see how beautiful it is. As you can see how nice it is. Now let me play it. When I play it, let me play it and see. Oh, you can see how it plays nice, how everything is so nice, it blends nice. Wow, this is good. Yeah, and it's so simple, very simple, easy to do. And you know, in most music videos, this is what you see. You see this type of effect in most music videos. So, and this is how simple it is and easy it is. So you can just go ahead and do it. Do it in videos, music videos and stuff like that, or travel videos and any video, you know, you want to do something like this, it's easy. Just make sure you get a Regia Universe package, then you search for Ecto plugin and you see how it will roll out or plays out smoothly and beautiful. So guys, there we go. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I drop something new, you'll be the first to grab it or get it. Drop your comments in the comment section and everything, you know. My name is ICWTK. Thank you. Peace out.